What's up, guys? It's Emily. So today I am going to be starting my first SFX makeup for you guys for this year. I am so excited. I am doing a lot of things different this year, and I finally invested on getting scar wax. I definitely had to wait to film all my SFX and Halloween makeup looks because I purchased all of them and they finally came today. So we're gonna start this. So today's look, I'm gonna do like a split face SFX split face. I don't know what to call it yet, but that's what I'm calling it as of right now. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified with my videos. Comment what you guys think of this SFX makeup look, and let's get this started. Okay, guys, so game plan. I had to sit back for like 10 minutes to figure out how to use the scar wax, and I finally got it. I hope. So I'm going to try this on my face and hope for the best. What I'm trying to go for is like pretty much a split face look. Now what you want to do is shape the scar wax as best to your knowledge. See, I gotta just be patient with myself and just work with the stuff I got. Wow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift as we go. So let's just keep going with the scar wax. I'm gonna roll it. It's definitely hard to use for a first timer. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's definitely hard. So I'm just shaping out where I want the scar. This piece is like perfect size. Okay, we're gonna place that there. Then we're gonna work with it, flatten it out, and just work along with it. So we're gonna move up. Okay. Oh, it's happening, guys. I think what you're not supposed to do is use Vaseline, and the girl that I was watching, that's what she said to use. So I'm just gonna be my own beautician and just do what I think is from my best knowledge type situation. So now you gotta be careful because your eyebrows are right there. So you see how thick this is? So we're gonna press inwards a little bit just to make it give it that thick look. So now what I want to do is just take whatever extra I have and start working on the other side. So I want to stop like right here where I want the scar. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. The wax makes your hands like really slippery. So what we're gonna do is flatten this side out. Make it look like a wound type situation. So what we're gonna do, use our body heat, because that's what you need to do, use your body heat, and just work with the wax. Press down. Did it just fall? Oh, no it didn't. It's like, what? I guess it did, some of it. So I'm trying to flatten it as I'm going. I want it more outwards. Okay, there we go. As frustrated as I get with this, I'm still learning. This is my first time ever using it, so I gotta be patient with it. Okay, now we're gonna make a curve. We want it to look very, very wounded, pretty much. And try not to get it on your eyebrow because you would cry. I'm pretty sure this could rip out the hairs off your eyebrow. So, there we go, a nice chunk. So this piece is a little thick, so we're gonna have to work with it. So we're gonna twist and roll. Okay, we're almost done with the wound. Issue. Okay, that's like perfect. That overlap right there. Yes. This actually goes like perfect with my skin. Like, it's weird how perfect it goes with it. So we're gonna just, okay, right there. Yes, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, let me close the scar wax so it doesn't get dried up. So now we're gonna flatten it out on the ends on this side. Let's make this side a little thicker. I found another piece of wax just chilling. Okay, so we're just gonna make it flat on this side just to make it look like it's blended out with my skin. Like that. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay. I love that hanging piece right there, so I'm gonna leave that just like that. So now I am going to grab my brushes and make this my skin tone. Okay, so I got this powder, actually from the dollar store. This is one of my favorites that I used for my Halloween makeup looks because it kind of just works with my skin. Like, look how accurate that looks. And I want to set the scar wax in place pretty much. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use all the eyeshadows and all that good stuff. I'm gonna move it up a little. Oh, we got some in my hair. That's a pain in the ass. Okay, let's just keep setting it. Set the nose, the forehead. Okay. Now I like how it looks like stretchy type thing going on. So now I'm going to get my eyeshadow and start making bruises around it and things like that. Okay, so I got my eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is go in with some browns very lightly. Just it look wounded. Like I want it to look bruised up. Okay, so now we got the brown. So then I'm gonna try to find like a purple. Not too much, guys. We don't want it to look like, where's my brush for this one? That's my blood brush. So we're gonna just work around this and just work my way up. Oh. Now I don't want to make it look like it's everywhere. I just want to make it look bruised up pretty much. So we're gonna go a little outwards right there. Oh, it looks so real, it's disgusting. So I'm gonna go up here a little bit. Make it look. Guys, I look like I just got like surgery on my face. I love how this is coming out. So now I'm gonna go in with, where's my brush? I gotta clean this. Okay. I'm gonna go in some with black just to give it like a more dramatic effect in the wounded areas. So we want this part lifted like that, yes. So we're just gonna not do everywhere, just make it look like I've been through it. Like that. So now I need to go in with like some red or like orange. Let's see how this looks. Oh yes, we like this. We like this tint color going on. Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna get to the fun part, the blood. So I'm gonna use my Scar Wax spoon, utensil, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna start spreading the blood. Now I want this piece overlapped like that. Yeah. Now I do got my brushes, not my brushes, my, what is it called? That's insane. So I want like a chunk of blood right there. So now we're going to go on with my other blood. This one's more not like liquidy, but like, how do you describe it? It's a blood gel too, but it's not too bad, if that makes sense. So what I'm just doing is I'm just going to go around, and now I'm going to use this sponge and just make it look like it gushed out. There we go. I don't want to cover the scar too much, so I'm trying to like lightly tap blood in areas. Should give myself a nosebleed, right? Perfect. Make it. Guys, I love how this came out. Let me wipe my hands. I honestly really like how this came out. It's like, so I'm gonna try to lift certain spots, and I don't want to ruin it though, so we're gonna just leave certain things like that. I'm gonna go in with a little more blood because I'm kind of having fun playing with it. Like, I want it to look real. Okay, guys. I love how this came out. We got a split down the nose, face. I honestly love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this SFX split face makeup look. And let me know down in the comments if I did really good, because this is my first time using Scar Wax and I think it looks awesome. Oh, okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.